Hello and welcome. Today, I want us to talk about something that affects many businesses in Kenya: withholding VAT. What is it? How does it work? And why should you care? Let's break it down in a simple, practical way. Withholding VAT is simply a method that the Kenya Revenue Authority (KRA) uses to collect value-added tax (VAT) more efficiently. Instead of relying only on suppliers to remit VAT, KRA appoints specific companies and government institutions to withhold a portion of the VAT at the time of payment and remit it directly to KRA. How does it work? Let's say you supply goods or services to a government department or a major corporation that is being appointed as withholding VAT agent. You said your invoice as usual, including 16% VAT. But instead of paying the full VAT to you, the client withholds 2% of the taxable value and send it directly to KRA. You still account for the full VAT on your returns, but you get a credit in your iTax account for the 2% that was already sent to KRA. A quick example: imagine you invoice 100,000 plus 16,000 VAT, total 116,000. The client pays you 114,000. They withhold 2,000 and send it to KRA. You still report the full VAT, but you will claim the 2,000 as credit during your VAT filing. Simple and trackable if you stay organized. Why does KRA do this? The goals of withholding VAT are: 1. To improve VAT compliance, 2. To reduce tax fraud, and 3. To ensure that VAT is collected faster and more reliably, especially from big institutions. It is a smart enforcement tool, but it does require businesses to stay alert. What should you do as a supplier? Very important. 1. Always confirm if your client is a withholding VAT agent. 2. Track all amounts withheld, don't just guess. Number 3. Ensure you receive a withholding VAT certificate. Very important. And number 4. Claim the withheld amount as credit in your VAT returns. Number 5. Reconcile your ranges monthly. Don't wait. And which are common mistakes to avoid? 1. Don't forget to claim the credits. Number 2. Don't ignore the withholding VAT certificate. Number 3. Don't assume all clients are the same. Always check. Late or incorrect filing can cost you in penalties and audits. Withholding VAT is not something to fear, it is something to understand. Know how it works, stay compliant, and use the system to your advantage by claiming every coin you are entitled to. And if in doubt, always consult a tax professional. Thanks for watching. If this saved you from a tax headache, imagine what sharing it could do for someone else. Comment your biggest VAT challenge. For more easy to understand tax tips, share these with every business owner you know. And remember, if you have any question regarding taxation, don't hesitate to reach us. WhatsApp us at 0746 377 012 or visit www.fiscalorbit.biz. Because in tax, knowledge is not just power, it is profit.